Good morning. Hope you guys are all doing well today. Wait for a few more people to get in here. Red or green day today. We're not 100% sure. Very hard to figure out daily fluctuations like that. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. So I just got a notification that I am able to have people come on here and go live with me. Good morning, Sage. So I want to put this into perspective for you guys if you want. If you guys have the ability to go live, let me know in the comments and I'll invite you to be on this live sesh, and I'll answer some questions live, kind of like Instagram Live does. I think that would be pretty cool if you guys want to. Good morning. Good morning, Sexton. Hope you guys are all doing well. Our stocks have been performing pretty well, so it puts a smile on my face. Good morning. So the stock ITRM, everyone said I was crazy to own. Currently down 0.95% on that right now, which is pretty great considering I was down 22% after that huge drop to about 98, 96 cents. Very good there. I'm very happy about that. ITRM is going to be a pretty good one once they can get their FDA approval. They were scheduled for July, got pushed back because of COVID. They're making a new date soon, so nothing terrible. Thanks for Wrap. Oh, my pleasure. Yeah, Wrap was a good one. Great swing trade. MNMD. Mind Medicine. And so you really got to be careful with stocks like this because if you look at the chart, it is currently at new all-time highs where it got rejected pretty badly last time. And last time it reached this level, it went from $5 all the way down in the downtrend to about $2. So that's like a 60% cut in the price that you could lose. And it was just at $2 just a few days ago, and now it is currently at $3.52. It's something that I really can't get into just because when a stock's up 33% on a day, more than likely it's going to go down for the rest of the day. So I'm staying away. Yeah, I wouldn't be worried about ITRM again. It just comes down to news manipulation with the market. As we know, stocks move based on news that's not known that comes out. So yeah, lithium opinion. I like lithium long term. Sorry, my nose is a little itchy. Excel's coming back. Nice. Love to see it. ERJ, personally, I'm staying away. Mara and Riot. When it comes to those two stocks, I like Mara and Riot personally, but I believe Riot is going to have a little bit of the edge. Apple end of the year. Let's see here. Sorry. I don't know why my nose is so itchy. It's like all red. Let's see here. Apple currently trading at $134.72. I have a price target for it to reach new all-time highs this year. And I believe we'll probably be sitting at around anywhere from 165 to 180 on Apple by the end of the year, in my personal opinion. I think Apple's a great long-term option. I don't really like Crow Coin. I'm staying away. Good morning from California. Love to see it. I can't wait to visit there one day. Buddy snorting lines. Oh, yeah. Yeah, me. You know me, Joey Rock, with the snorting lines on the day that I have an exam. Ripple staying away. Thoughts on Naked? Naked staying away. I like PaySafe long term. VISL doing pretty good over the last week. Take a peek. VISL. Vislink Technology is sitting at 281. Yep, it's done pretty good recently. Had a little bit of an uptrend, but I do see resistance at $2.89, which is pretty close to where it's at right now. Personally, I like the stock. It looks like it could be a good long-term option if you know a lot about the company and believe in their company long-term. But personally, I don't know a lot about this company, so I'm staying away. I love PLTR long-term. TRCH, love it long-term as well. Fubo, I'd like it long-term as well. SOS, like it long-term, but very risky. I would stay away. TRCH, I love TRCH. I think it's a great growth stock long-term. SCYX, love SCYX. Has a price target of about $40 by the end or mid of 2022. DraftKings and Penn, I like DraftKings a little bit better. I'm staying away from Ripple because of their impending lawsuit. They did not win the lawsuit. There's no information about the lawsuit. If they lose the lawsuit, it goes way down. If they win the lawsuit, it goes way up. Again, when you take more risk in the market, you're going to get more reward if it pays off. And XRP and Ripple is one of those stocks. Well, it's not stock, one of those cryptos. YOLO, I like YOLO long term. NNDM, absolutely taken off this morning. Still, NNDM's on absolute fire, currently up at 9.23% pre-market today, sitting in the $8.99 area. It's almost about to break $9 here pre-market. I'm doing pretty good. How about you? You shorting? Fine, nope. I'm still owning TYME strong here, and it's paid off the last couple days and week, as most people can see. What does resistance represent? It represents basically like people, we're a wall where people sell the shares. NEO, I love NEO long term. NEO looking pretty good right now. That's how we like to see it. Silly Rob, thanks for being here today. Gray Bush, what's going on? BYD does look pretty good. Hive 2, check it out. I'm staying away. VICI, staying away. NEO, I love NEO long term. Bought NNDM the other day for $680. Love to see it. Great buy point. Is NEO a good buy right now? I believe it's a pretty good buy right now, but it has gone up the last couple days. I would wait for a little bit of dip, maybe at the end of the week. I am familiar with altcoins. I've been involved in cryptocurrency since I was really young. I wanted to buy 4 Bitcoin at $100 each. My parents told me it was the dumbest thing I ever did. Do you think NEO is going to keep rising or drop again? You know, it's really hard to tell with these EV sector. It just depends on how it does. Overall, I think electric vehicles are going to do great. They're going to have a 80% year-over-year growth when it comes to deliveries and sales in the next 5-6 years. So NEO, I love NEO long-term, and I believe they're going to be the number 2 in the EV market. I've never heard of Dodo Crypto. Oh, yeah, look, yeah, it must be pretty new. Green Day yesterday. Yeah, it was a green day yesterday. Looking for another green day today. Solo, goodbye. Personally, I'd stay away from Solo. I think there's way too much competition in that sector. It's kind of similar to the internet bubble. When there's a bunch of internet companies, now there's a bunch of EV companies. It's going to play out the same way. The thing is, it's going to be hard to guess which companies will rise to the top. Yep. Amazon, there is news that Amazon will be considering a 10-to-1 stock split, which is going to be huge. Basically, cut the price in 10. So whatever the price of Amazon is right now, let's look at it. Look at Amazon. It's currently trading at $3,409. If they did the stock split right now, it would be trading at $340.90, which would be a huge deal. I think Amazon's going to do great, especially with this split. A lot of people are going to want to get in on Amazon. I'm going to be one of those people. If Amazon does do the stock split, I will definitely be buying some Amazon. Hive 2, it's just not a good stock or crypto. I don't even know what it is. Most of the things with 4 and then a dot and then 2 things, not a good investment. I'm still holding on to TYME. I own 2,575 shares. It's currently sitting at $1.61 this morning. We're doing pretty solid. Our portfolio's up to $5,344, officially up for the challenge since yesterday, looking pretty good. And so far, pre-market today, we were up 0.07%, pretty mediocre gain today. But yesterday, we were able to gain 6.69%. Had a pretty good day yesterday. Looking to expand on that a little bit today. Do you buy before the split or after? You buy before the split. You buy the rumor. And so if you look at what happened with Apple, it rose before the split, and when it happened, it dropped a pretty good amount, and then it went right back up. That's exactly what I expect Amazon to do. Toronto Stock Exchange, nice. A GSET, I would sell it. But yeah, again, if you believe in GSET, you got to hold it long term. If you believe in the company, you got to go with what you believe in. AMC, I believe the 2 worst investments on the stock market you can make right now are GameStop and AMC. Not being mean, just my personal opinion, so be careful. Yep, growth. Yep, that's what I was expecting. You're up $470 on Wrap. I love to see it. Thank you. I love to see other people make money. Salesforce, that's actually my stock pick of the day today. Why not sell everything and put it all in TYME at this point? We don't put all of our money in one stock. I know it might seem like I have a lot of money in one stock, which I do. A lot of people don't do it this way, but I don't do it this way very often either, not going to lie to you. But it's just the way we're doing it right now, because I think it's the best opportunity for us in our portfolio with given the current market right now. We currently have 79.27% of our portfolio in TYME. Of course, yes, that's a high price. It's risky. You can call me a degenerate trader or someone that doesn't care about their portfolio. I don't care about my followers. But yeah, I do love TYME long term. I think it's going to make us a tremendous amount of money. It's going to make a lot of people a lot of money because I've done the research. Trust me, I wouldn't put this much money into a company without knowing anything. One of my buddies' dads works there. No insider trading or anything, but I'm pretty confident. What do you think about Tesla? I like Tesla. Yeah, I would definitely do Tesla. Thoughts on Palantir? I love Palantir long term. I have a $50 price target by the end of the year. ACQ on TSE. Personally, I like TSE, but it just went below the moving average, so be careful with that. ACQ. I think ACQ would probably be a lot better of an option, a lot better of a price point right now. Yeah, our portfolio is currently at $5,378, looking pretty good this morning. You started investing last week, put 100 in NEO and 100 in Apple. That's a fantastic start. Don't let anyone tell you that it's not. People are going to tell you there's not a lot of money in there, and there's no point in doing it. They're lying to you. Don't have that mindset. Just keep slowly adding and growing your portfolio. Over the long term, you're going to be so happy you did. And when stocks become a hobby, that's when it really looks great. What, in my opinion, should we buy today? Personally, I'd play it safe today. Joe Biden's talking later today, and historically, whenever Joe Biden has gone in front of the United States and talked, the market's absolutely tanked as soon as he started speaking. It's not saying that I don't like Joe Biden. It's not saying that I like Joe Biden. I'm not going political opinions here, but that is exactly what has happened all year long. Every time he's talked, the stock market has tanked a little bit throughout the day. Bingo yesterday's done pretty good. Yeah, you're right about that. I sold it a little too early. A little jealous there, but hey, congrats. But yeah, TYME sitting at 162 this morning. I'm looking for a push, trying to get to near $2 by the end of the week this week. A huge goal, but if it happens, it'd be great. If not the end of the world. Price target for NEO. My price target for NEO. Oh, NNDM is absolutely skyrocketing. NNDM is up 11.3% as I get text messages from my girl Britt. Yeah, NNDM going absolutely nuts this morning. I'm currently in the green. Went from being down like 29%. I was a bad trader. Now it's up 1.83%. And there you go. Nano Dimension got great news. You're 100% right about that. So a stock splits... Basically, when you see a stock like Amazon split, that's a good thing because that means they're going to bring the price share lower so that more people can buy it. So that's a really good thing for Amazon. Apple did it, and look how it worked out for them. Pretty good. It's currently $9.15 here. Our portfolio is sitting at $5,379. Skills looking good as well. POWW, I am staying away. MVIS, way too high right now. Had a great run-up. Congrats to anyone who held it. If you hold it right now, I would definitely sell it. Great profit there. But when you make money like that, you hit the home run. You got to take it. Yeah, I'm not selling my NNDM today. Not just because I'm up a little bit. It's still going crazy. It's up to $9.20. Doing pretty good. I got 30 shares of NNDM. Hope you have some too. When they split, so if you own one share of Amazon, right? If you have a split's different than a reverse split. Reverse split's bad. Split is good. So Amazon, if you have one share of Amazon right now, when they do the 10-to-1 reverse split, you will have 10 shares of Amazon. That's how it will work. because they're doing a 10-to-1 split. So if you had every one share you have of Amazon will turn into 10 shares, which is a pretty big deal. POWW staying away. PSFE staying away. I know my viewership's been down recently, and I just want to thank every single person that is here every single morning from the bottom of my heart. Love you guys. I feel you. Mind Med hit my stop loss at 290 Canadian now. Was gone 100% in 4 days. It happens. Yeah, it does happen. 100%. CHPT, personally, I'm staying away. OCGN, I like it, but it's gone up way too much. I'm staying away. WMD. Let's see here. WMD sitting at 1 cent. There's no way that's the right stock. Oh, here we go. Weed MD. There you go. Sitting at 29 cents. Personally, it could be a really good one long term. You'd have to wait for a pump on it, but personally, I don't think they're making a lot of money. Personally, I'm staying away. Thoughts on performance at TYME today? Good morning. Good morning. I don't CHBT. I would stay away from. PRPH or SOS going to recover. They could. I'm not sure. NEO as a hold. Yes, I believe so. So why would you buy Amazon before or after the split? I would buy it before the split if I was going to buy it, because of the fact that when they split, I'll own 10 shares. That's huge. 10 shares of Amazon. It's really hard to come by. When comes time with the news? Any thoughts? No idea when news is going to come out. I'm pretty sure it's soon here. We've been getting a pretty good uptick on time the last couple days, week here. MMED, personally, I'm staying away from it, Steve. But yeah, TYME looking pretty good. We just got to keep our head straight, stick with our game plan. Don't buy any right now. It's up a pretty good amount, so just got to be careful. We're not out of the woods yet. We're in the right direction, of course, but we're not out of the woods yet. NNDM is absolutely taking off and going freaking parabolic this pre-market. We are up 15% on NNDM this morning. Holy cow, it's already up to $9.47. Tesla stock is going down because it's being manipulated. Simple as that. I know it's really hard to explain, and people will be like, oh yeah, market manipulation, what's that? But I'm telling you, stocks like Tesla, Apple, they're all manipulated. Don't be too discouraged by Tesla's price going down. Overall, long term, it will be great. NEO this week, I think NEO's going to have a pretty good week. Cloudera, I love Cloudera long term. I think it's going to hit $20 by the end of the year. NNDM sitting at 945, up 15% this morning. I'm in the green on NNDM and ITRM this morning. Both were down more than 20% to start the week. Love to see it. Love to see it. Let's fucking go. Wirecard. Personally, I'm staying away from Wirecard. What's up? What's going on? We are currently experiencing a giant pump on NNDM, currently up 15% pre-market today. 13.85% now. It's probably going to go crazy wild here. I love it to see it. I doubled my money thinking about cashing out Microvision. I would sell your Microvision 100%. Yep, take that money. You hit the home run. Coin, personally, I'm staying away from Coin right now. Naked, bye. I'm staying away from Naked. I hope Zynga going up. Webull gave me 8 shares. Oh, yeah, Zynga will do pretty good long term, in my personal opinion. I think it's a great company. They own some great games on the app. As more people stay home and they have more time to do things, they're going to be spending more money on these kinds of apps that they own. So I think they'll do pretty good. SNDL, I'm staying away. NNDM, let's go. That's what I like to see. Love to see that you own it. NNDM going crazy. If Amazon dipped after their split like Apple, would probably be cheaper to buy 10 shares after. It could be, but it might not be. You don't know if it's going to perform exactly like Apple. Amazon is not Apple. Apple's not Amazon. So I need to be really careful when you make that comparison. Color Star Tech, I'm staying away. Way too low for me. Do you have any price in mind that you would buy into Coin? If I was going to buy into Coin, I was talking about before that I was probably looking for the $290, $280 mark if I was going to buy a share. But yeah, it looks like it did hit that a little bit ago. But again, I think with Tesla taking some profit on Bitcoin, I believe Coinbase can actually go down lower. I think we can see 250, even 260 on Coinbase before I'm really interested in buying it now. I think we're going to see a pretty significant dip on Bitcoin with Elon Musk and Tesla taking over $272 million in profit. NNDM thoughts. Oh man, NNDM. I have a price target of $18 to $20 by the end of the year. That's still double what the price is right now. You heard me right. I love NNDM long term. I think it's gonna be a great one. When does Biden speak? Let's look it up today. I'm not sure. Let's see. When does Biden speak today? I'm gonna guess it's gonna be like 20 minutes before the market closes or something. Let's see. Can't really see when he's going to talk. Probably don't want you to know, right? Oh my god. Yeah, I can't even find anything. They're all like a month old. That's awful. When does Joe Biden speak today? Oh, hold on, let's look at news. Oh my god, Biden will announce new CDC mask guidance Tuesday. Great. 4 p.m. Eastern time? Of course. Of course it is. Of course it is. I'm surprised they didn't do 350 or 340. They do that all the time. I have no idea why. 1 second here. All right. Perfect. Yeah, we have 7 more minutes till the market opens. Our portfolio is currently at $5,376. How's your time investment going, brother? It's doing pretty good here. Let's see. Looks like you don't follow me. You're just saying that. But yeah, whatever. It's doing pretty good. Been going up last couple days. NNDM price target. I know it's kind of long term, but my long term price target for NNDM by the end of the year is sitting at $18 to $20. But overall, if you're up on NNDM, I would take your profit. But NNDM, I'm only up 2.82% after that giant pump, so I'm staying away. How am I up when time is down so much? You see, that's when new people like you. So what you didn't know is I was starting my challenge 75 days ago. I didn't start my challenge investing all of my most of my money into TYME. We did other things. You found me when I was investing into TYME, and after it went up, you invested into it at the top. It went down. You got mad. You hated me, and now you're really happy that TYME has been going down, but now it's going back up. You already sold, and you're wondering, how can Joey possibly be still up on the challenge? That's how it works. Because I'm a good trader. I made some good trades at the beginning of the challenge, and we've lost a bunch of money on NEO as well, and guess what? We're still up. Keep hating. I'll keep putting in the work. How it works. Yep, that's exactly what happened. Oh, nice. Good morning. Good morning. Bag holder. Yeah, bag holders usually don't make money. And I'm up money. It's okay. I like play. I like Dave & Buster's. NEO will come back. Oh, yeah, NEO will come back. 100%. Biden speaks at 4 p.m. today. My pick of the day today was CRN. Do you like Open or Redfin? I like Redfin and Open. They are both pretty good. UPS, I like it. 6, I'm staying away. What did you get how did I do on my exams? I'm not sure yet. I take 2 quizzes today. I take an exam today, and I take an exam tomorrow, and I take an exam Thursday. QS, love QS. If you're up 25% on skills, I would sell. Take that gain. With a market like that's been going on like it has been recently, take that gain. My pleasure. QS, love QS long term. 5 minutes till market open. Currently at $5,377. Crypto NOIA. I don't know either of those, honestly. Stay positive, brother. If they hating, you're doing something right. You're right. Good luck. Thank you so much, Jay. Good luck with you, too. Thank you. Good luck, dude. You deserve success. Appreciate it. People, the stock market always goes up. Just hold. Yeah, you're right, Gray. Stock market on average has gone up historically. It's not not guaranteed that it goes back up and it continues to go back up, but it's probably 99.8%. So you're right about that, Gray. I'm right about that. CTRM target. I don't like CTRM right now. I think they're going to do a reverse stock split before anything happens. Do I know how splits work on partial shares? I believe it's not going to work out if you have partial shares. I don't believe that they give you more on the split. They could. I'm not 100% sure. Maybe they just multiply it. So if they did a 10-1 split and you have partial shares, maybe they'll just multiply what you have by 10. I'm not really sure how that works. Buy AMD. AMD is a great stock. AMD is a fantastic stock. It's at a great buy point right now. It's in at 85.41 with earnings coming up. Yeah, I think AMD is going to do great. I like AMD long term as well. Sitting at 927 here this morning. Yeah, my pleasure. Hope you're having a good day, Matt. I'm personally staying away from all cruise lines and airlines stocks until the end of 2021 when business travel resumes. That's how they make about 60 to 75% of their yearly revenue from business travel yearly. So personally, I'm staying away from both those. Yeah, I think putting $4,000 in Amazon is never a bad idea. Amazon's a great company. If they do that split, you're going to be looking pretty. When to get an Airbnb? I believe Airbnb right now looking pretty good long term. Do you know what's up with the microchip shortage for vehicles? I don't know necessarily what's up, but I was looking into NIO a little bit, and they said that even with the chip shortage, they expect to beat deliveries by more than 200% when those delivery numbers come out. I think it's going to have a really big push up for NIO. I think that's why we've been seeing NIO push up recently in the last couple of days, because the insiders know that they're going to have a really good report about their delivery numbers. I saw a couple articles on that. I think NIO's going to do great. I think Tesla's going to do great. I think you just got to hold on to these EVs and wait for this market correction to be completely over. We're not out of the woods yet. We've been upticking here a little bit here, but just got to stick to our plan and stay with it. 2 minutes till market opens. Yeah, GM is waiting for chips. You're right. Sup, Joe, bro? What's going on, real John God? Hope you're having a good day. Are you into crypto too? I've always been into crypto. I've been into crypto since I was 11 or 12 years old. I know more about cryptocurrency than any person I know personally. There's probably people on the internet that know a lot more than me, maybe. But NIO price prediction for this week. I don't have a price prediction for this week, but I think NIO's going to do great overall. MMEDF sell on news. I believe so. DRA, I'm staying away. Bingo doing fantastic. I think it's a great long-term option. I have a price target of $20 to $25 by the end of the year. What do you think of Theta? Personally, I'm staying away from Theta. I got Doge at 1 penny, sold at 43 cents. I got hella lucky. Congratulations, John God. I love to see it. Take it while you can, right? I hope you have a great day too, Gray Bush. Love you. Biden proposed $400 billion towards healthcare and disabilities. Know a stock in that field that you like? In disabilities? I would check out Butterfly. I mean, it's not necessarily that, but it's in that sector. Is NIO still a buy at $42? I believe it is still a buy at $42. It's actually at $43 now, but I think it's a great long-term buy and hold. Here we go, 9:29 here this morning. We are currently up this morning, 0.13%. Pretty dry day overall this morning here. NNDM doing pretty good. We're up on that now. You're doing great. Let's go over our stocks really quickly here. We got NNDM up 11.42% pre-market today. We got TYME down 0.62%. We have ITRM staying pretty constant in this pre-market. We have NIO up 1.01%. We have GBS staying constant. And that's what we got today. I think ETC could have another run, but I'm staying away from it. Good luck. Let's get it. Thanks, Silly Rob. It's 9:30 here. Our portfolio is currently at $5,345. I got to get going because I got to study, and I have a lot of homework to do today. The next 2 days are going to be my hardest days of the semester. Please pray for me as I attempt to get through this. I'm going to need it. I love all you guys so much. Thank you for being here every single day. I love all of you. You have a great day too, Travis. RWLK Robotics is popping. Oh, yeah, they had a pretty good earnings report. And thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, Daisy. Love you to death. I will make sure to talk to you guys soon. Make sure to do your own research. Stick to your plan. And as always, happy trading. Thank you so much for the good luck. I hope you guys have a great day, too. Wishing you luck. Get it.